How to change avatar in Hunting Sniper. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to change your avatar in the Hunting Sniper game, first of all, open up the Hunting Sniper application on your device like you normally do. Once you're inside the home page of Hunting Sniper, go to the top left and tap on your profile icon. Now from your player profile page, tap on the loop icon above your avatar and then select a new avatar from the list. You'll see different avatars available. Just go ahead and choose one from the list. You can also go to frame and select an avatar frame if it is available. And once you are done, you can tap on the cross icon at the top to get to the player profile, and you have successfully changed your avatar. So there you have it. You can get back to the hunt, and that's how you change your avatar quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.